Hey guys, Jeff Kingsley here. I'm going to take you for a lap around Virginia International Raceway. As we come down the front straight, we're looking for the 500 meter board, heavy brake from 6th gear down to 2nd, looking for good rotation mid-corner and a strong power out, getting loose on the rear as you can see in the hands there, bringing the car back right to set up for this left-hander. Difficult brake zone as you're turning while braking, which causes lots of front locking. Using all the road on the exit towards the grass, down to 2nd gear for this left-hander, keeping it tight, short shifting into 3rd for the right-hander, and once again short shifting into 4th for this right again, using all the curbs here to keep the car as straight as possible. Now we have a little bit of a straight so we can focus on the corners ahead, turning in at this access road, chasing the back of these curbs, using a lot of this one on the right, usually getting some air with a lift to rotate the car for this right-hander, with the brake zone down to 4th gear, using all the exit as you can. Coming into Oak Street, famous corner, heavy brake, but you can release since it's uphill. Focus on a slow entry for a fast exit, getting loose once again on the rear, over the bumps, and now you're onto the back straight. Very long straight, you have time to get a little bit of a breather, wipe some sweat out of your eyes, and look in your mirrors to see where some guys are around you. As we press the hill, we're looking for the 300 meter board. 6th gear, about 165 mile an hour as we brake down to 2nd again. Turning right over the curb, keeping it tight on exit, so we focus on the left-hander to keep it flat for a good run into 4th gear. Hard brake, release, on throttle as quick as possible, as hard as possible through 4th gear for the final stretch down the front straightaway once again. My name's Jeff Kingsley. That's a lap for Virginia International Raceway, and I'm racing for Children's.